You have just entered the home of Australia's largest canvas art manufacturer. We guarantee the best price, the best quality, the best range, and of course free delivery with just a few clicks away. Here is how we do it. We use the latest technology to process our pictures or your pictures. We have state-of-the-art printers. We use non-toxic latex ink that is safe to use in any environment, including in hospitals. The ink is absorbed deep within the canvas fibers, ensuring that the full vibrancy of the colors comes through. After printing, the canvas is cut to size, ready to be made up. We use specially selected, kiln-dried, clean pine timber of the highest standards that, unlike inferior imported products, our canvas prints will not warp or bow. We manufacture from start to finish, expertly machining the timber frames to size and always ensuring the highest standard. Our team members work in a careful, professional manner to ensure a perfect finish every time. We track each stage of production using the latest technology, ensuring goods are produced on time. After packing, the canvas is delivered free anywhere in Australia. Phone us 7 days a week on 07 33 93 2880.